The Rite in the Rain notebook. If you guys have never used one of these are pretty cool. They work really well. You can get them wet and they're still going to, depending on the pen that you have, you're still going to be able to write on it. A Sharpie or a pen like this will work. Rite in the Rain actually sells a pen specifically that'll write on these. So yeah, pretty handy to have. If you're going to have a notebook, I certainly suggest in an everyday carry bag or backpacking. I have one of these I take backpacking with me as well. I don't think